My name is Keenan. I'm the technical manager of Seafarer here in Greece. Currently we're in phase 4 of our winterization project. So for the last 2 months we've been taking boats out the water, sanding all the old anti-foul off, repainting, treating the hulls, working on the propulsion systems, the propellers, and doing all sorts of underwater work, changing through hull fittings and all of that. So right now we're in our next phase. We're putting boats back in the water and getting ready to move to Korfos to start the refit process to be ready for the season.
Hi, my name's Callum. I'm the Senior Flotilla Skipper for Seafarer. We've just returned back to our base Korfos, where over the next couple of days we'll be returning back with our fleet that have been on the hard, where we've been doing all the underwater work. We're now moving over onto the stage where we're going to be looking at interior, our plumbing, and we're going to be installing some new rigging, running rigging that is, so nice new ropes. We're going to be polishing the boat on deck. We're going to be making sure all the electronics are working tip-top. I look forward to seeing you guys in the coming few weeks. Peace out.
So here we are in Korfos. We've been cracking on the last few weeks to get all the boats back in the water. We are into our installation phase now, 5 weeks to go before the flotilla. We are busy putting on sails, upholstery, really doing all the last bits to get the boats ready to go and ready for the middle of April. We are looking forward to seeing you on the water this summer.